8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Liftoff normal.
There's the textbook liftoff of PSL C-54 EOS-06 mission.
सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन PSLV C-54 बहुत ही रोमांचक। जो लोग यहाँ पर हैं इसे लाइव देख रहे हैं वो महसूस कर सकते हैं गर्जना।
The PS2 stage is a pump-fed stage and has Vikas engine, which has proved its reliability in every mission. Close to 480 seconds of burn time of PS4.
7.57 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की सापेक्ष गति से अंतक्षेपित किया जाए।
EOS-06 satellite separated.
EOS-06 को सफलतापूर्वक अंतक्षेपित कर दिया गया है।
I'm really happy to announce the successful accomplishment of the PSLV C-54 EOS-06 mission in its first phase of the mission, injecting the EOS-06 satellite at its intended orbit very precisely. And we also observed that the performance of the rocket in this mission in all its stages and functions were exceedingly good. And congratulations to the entire team, PSLV, for making yet another successful mission in the series of its long years of journey. And also congratulations to EOS-06 satellite, which is just deployed its solar panels very correctly at the expected time.
PSLV C-54 has injected EOS-06 primary satellite and 8 other passenger payloads into the desired orbits. PSLV C-54 EOS-06 mission is fully accomplished. Thanks to all.